Hello, good morning students. How are you all? I am your English teacher. Today we will learn a third part of our second lesson, School is Fun. All of you students, please open your textbook, page number 28. It is our grammar portion, pronouns. Our grammar topic is pronouns. Okay? Now, first of all, I will explain you what is the meaning of pronouns. Okay? First of all of you see in the screen some words I will write in blackboard. First one is I. Second one is it. It. Third one is you. You. Then they. They. Then we, he and she. It is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. That's 7 words. These words are called pronouns. These all words are called pronouns. Pronouns take the place of a noun. हम लास्ट ग्रामर के पोर्शन में हमने नाउन सीखा ही है, तो आपको पता ही है जब हम किसी प्लेस, एनिमल, किसी थिंग या पीपल के नेम की जगह पे जो वर्ड यूज़ करते हैं, जो नेम यूज़ करते हैं, उसे बोलते हैं नाउन. और ये है प्रोनाउंस. तो प्रोनाउंस टेक द प्लेस ऑफ अ नाउन. ओके, विच वर्ड? दैट आई, ईट, यू, दे, वी, ही एंड शी. That all words are called pronouns. He, she and we are used for people. For example, he is my father, she is my mother, like that. Which word? He, she and we. Word he, she and we are used for people. जब हम किसी people के बारे में बात करेंगे, we should use word he, she and we. Just for example, he is my father, she is my mother, we are students. So in the sentences, first letter he, she and we, that three words are pronouns. What? It is our pronouns, he, she and we. Okay? Now, next, it. It is used for animal and thing. It को हमें यूज़ करना है कहाँ पे? Animal and thing. Just for example, it is my pet. My pet is a cat. In the sentence it is the pronouns. Second example, it is a bat. So in the second sentence, pronouns is it. It. It is a bat. First example, it is my pet. My pet is a cat. Why? Because cat is an animal. That's why we used here it. And second example, it is a bat. Bat is a thing. That's why we use here it. Understood all of you? So word it is also a pronouns. Okay? Then next, I, you, he and she are used for person. I, you, he and she are used for person. Just for example, it is used for one animal or thing. It is used for only one animal or one thing. जब किसी एक एनिमल या फिर किसी एक चीज़ के बारे में बात हो रही है तो हम यूज़ करेंगे इट. जैसा हमने आगे के एग्जाम्पल में सीखा. सी ऑल ऑफ यू हियर. इट इज़ माई पेट इज़ कैट. It is a bat. Here cat is only one and bat is also only one. That's why we use here it. Okay? Now second, we is used for more than one person. Only person. Okay? We use for more than one person. एक पर्सन मीन्स इंसान. किसी एक इंसान से ज़्यादा, एक से ज़्यादा इंसान के बारे में, लोग के बारे में हम बात कर रहे हैं. दैट टाइम वी यूज़ वी. वी इज़ यूज फॉर मोर देन वन पर्सन. ओके? नाउ थर्ड, दे. Which word? It is a they. They is used for more than one person and animals or things. जब किसी एक से ज़्यादा persons, animals और things के बारे में बात करेंगे, we use here they. Okay, THEY, they. Understood all of you? I, you, he and she are used for person. It is used for one animal or one thing. We is used for more than one person. They is used for more than one person and animals or things. Understood all of you? Now next, it is an examples. They are my grandparents. They are my grandparents. In this sentence, which word is the pronouns? Yes, it is they. Okay, my grandparents are old. My grandparents are old. Second example, we all love Ricky. We all love Ricky. Ricky and I are friends. In both sentences, which words are pronouns? It is we and I. Then next, Uncle John is coming to stay with us for 4 days. It is all only examples for you. ये आपकी टेक्स्ट बुक में नहीं है, ये सिर्फ आपको एक्सप्लेनेशन देने के लिए, आपको समझाने के लिए मैंने कुछ एग्जांपल्स यूज़ किए हैं. ये आपको कहीं पे भी लिखने नहीं है. ओके, इट इज़ ओनली फॉर एग्जांपल्स. Uncle John is coming to stay with us for 4 days. वो Uncle John, and Uncle John is a male. So male के लिए, male person के लिए हम यूज़ करेंगे कौन सा वर्ड? he. So he will bring many sweets and toys for me. He will take me for a picnic. Here Uncle John is become he because noun is pronouns take the place of a noun. Pronouns take the place of a noun. Here pronouns is he and noun is Uncle John. तो Uncle John की जगह किसने ले ली है? he ने. So here pronouns take the place of a noun. Uncle John is a noun and he is a pronoun. तो Uncle John यानी कि noun का place किसने ले लिया है? pronouns ने. Understood all of you? The next example, I like Om. Om is a boy. Okay, I like Om. Om is a boy. That's why we put here he. He is my best friend. Who? Om. He is my best friend. Here Om is a noun and a noun becomes to a pronouns. Pronouns take the place of a noun. That's why Om becomes he. Okay. Sia has a dog. Sia is a girl. That's why we use here she. She named it Bunty. Sia has a dog. She named it Bunty. Here Sia is a girl. That's why we use pronouns she. And dog is a noun. And here pronouns it take the place of a noun dog. Understood all of you? Now, last example. Do you remember what we covered in the last lecture? In the sentence, I used word you. Do you remember what we covered in the last lecture? Yes, it is the word of you. You is the pronouns in this sentence. Second, you are the best student. You are the best student. In this sentence, which word is the pronouns? Yes, it is the you because you is the pronouns. Okay. Now, all of you take out your textbook, page number 28. Pronouns. Read the following sentences. My name is Bunty. I study in class first. The teacher says to Vijay, you are a good boy. You are very helpful. Rahul is naughty. He does not listen to Sonam. Lily eats healthy food. She likes fruits. Rahul and Neetu play in the playground. They play many games. There is a big playground in the school. The children play in it. Neela and Sunil say we go to school at 8 o'clock. We use words like I, you, he, she, they, it, we in place of Bunty, Vijay, Rahul, Lily, Rahul and Neetu, playground, and Neela and Sunil. They are called pronouns. ये ऊपर वाले सेंटेंसेस में हमें जहाँ पे बंटी, आई, विजय, यू, राहुल, ही, ये जो वर्ड्स मिले थे बंटी, विजय, राहुल, लिली, राहुल एंड नीतू, प्लेग्राउंड, नीला एंड सुनील, ओके, इनको ये नाउन को हमने चेंज करके वहाँ पे रिप्लेस किया है प्रोनाउंस. बंटी की जगह पे आई, विजय को यू, राहुल ही, लिली शी, राहुल एंड नीतू 2 पर्सन्स थी. मैंने बोला था ना अभी आगे जब हम एक से ज़्यादा पर्सन्स के बारे में पीपल के बारे में बात करेंगे दैट टाइम वी यूज दे. दैट्स वाई हियर दे, राहुल एंड नीतू, दे. अ बिग प्लेग्राउंड. Playground is a thing and only one. That's why we use it. Then Neela and Sunil, they both. That's why we use we. We use words like I, you, he, she, they, it, we in place of Bunty, Vijay, Rahul, Lily, Rahul and Neetu, playground, and Neela and Sunil. They are called pronouns. Okay? We use we and they when there is more than one person, animal or a thing. Understood all of you? Now let's we start our exercise C1, and in C1A circle the correct word. My name is Tina. I and we have 2 words here. हमें क्या करना है, जो राइट है करेक्ट आंसर है उसके ऊपर हमें सर्कल करना है. I we do homework in the evening. Which word is the correct? It is I, because here Tina is only one person. That's why my name is Tina, so we used pronouns which I do homework in the evening. So please all of you circle on I. Then second one, Lily helps Rahul to do his work. She is a helpful girl. Here answer is she. Why? Because Lily is a girl and she is only one. That's why Lily helps Rahul. Lily है वो राहुल को help कर रही है. That's why we put here she. Okay, the correct answer is C. Then third, an elephant lives in a forest. She eats sugar cane. Now who? It is an elephant. It is only one, and it is a animal, and only one animal is there. That's why we use here it. Which pronouns? It. An elephant lives in a forest. It eats a sugar cane. Then fourth, Sachin is a cricket player. Sachin is a cricket player. She or he plays very well. Sachin is a boy. That's why we use here he. He plays very well. Snow White lives in a small hut. He lives with 7 dwarfs. Snow White is a girl. That's why we use here she. Now last, Naman and Geetika are good friends. We or they say I or we go to the same school. Naman and Geetika, here both person, that 2 persons, more than one. That's why we use here they, and they both are. That's why we use here we. We go to the same school. Okay? Done all of you. ये एक्सरसाइज आपको टेक्स्ट बुक में कंप्लीट करना है. नाउ एक्सरसाइज नंबर B. Look at the pictures and complete the sentences. Use word from the balloon. It is a very easy exercise. Here, see all of you. Here one side we have some beautiful pictures and one side we have a balloon. We used word from this balloon. first of all, blank is dancing. Look at the picture. Here who is a dancing? Here one girl is a dancing. So गर्ल के लिए हम कौन सा वर्ड यूज़ करेंगे? सी इन द बलून. हियर दे, इट, शी और ही. विच वर्ड इज करेक्ट? यस, इट इज शी. शी इज डांसिंग बिकॉज शी इज अ गर्ल. दैट्स वाई वी यूज हियर शी. सेकेंड, blank is sleeping. Look at the picture. Who is the sleeping in the picture? Yes, one boy. Only one boy is there. That's why we use he. He is sleeping. Okay, now third one, blank are playing. Who is playing? Here see, one girl and one boy, both are playing. Here more than one person. That's why we use word they. T-H-E-Y, they. Okay, now last one, blank is barking. Who? Here dog. Dog is barking. No, that's why we use here it. It is an animal and it is only one. That's why we use it. Okay, understand all of you? Now first one is she, he, they and it. It all are pronouns. समझ में आया? Now homework time. Your homework is exercise number A and B. Both are in your textbook and notebook. Okay, write with a good handwriting. Understood all of you? Thank you.